Ensure the area is clean and the surface is level to prevent uneven panel layout. If supplied with a pipe layout diagram, make note of how to position the boards, or refer to the installation manual provided. Lay the boards loosely, numbering them on the top to identify their positions. Ensure the pipe runs will reach the manifold position. If you need to create a new channel, this can be done with a knife or router. Prime the underside of each board with Underfloor Prime It MSP. Apply the primer with a brush or roller, following the manufacturer's guidance on dilution ratios. Allow the primer to dry thoroughly until it forms a pink film. Drying time will depend on ambient conditions, but typically ranges from 1 to 4 hours. While the boards are drying, begin priming the substrate using Underfloor Prime It MSP. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for correct dilution and application, depending on the subfloor. Ensure the primer is fully cured. Apply Ultra Proflex SP adhesive to the subfloor using a notch trowel to create a minimum 4 mm bed of adhesive. Lay the boards as you go. Additional adhesive may be needed to level uneven floor surfaces. Place the boards primed side down into the adhesive and ensure proper compression of the adhesive ridges. Ensure full compression of the adhesive to create a void-free, fully bonded adhesive bed. Allow the adhesive to cure for approximately 4 hours to ensure it has achieved its initial set before proceeding with further work. It is recommended to use suitable jointing tape between panels to minimize movement and improve stability when finishing the floors. Additional use of Fastwarm screws and washers is recommended over timber substrates, fixed at every 300 mm. Ensure the floor is free of debris before installing the pipe. Check all grooves carefully to prevent any damage to the pipes during installation. Pipework can be fitted into the boards once they're securely in place. If possible, let the system rest for 24 hours and check the pressure before laying the final floor finish. Ensure the pipe's curve radius does not cause excessive bending or kinking. Make sure all pipes are bent smoothly, without any kinks. Do not step on the pipe, as this may cause damage. While laying the boards and pipe, walking across them may be necessary. Use crawlboards in areas of high foot traffic to avoid damage. Apply the primer with a brush or roller. Follow the manufacturer's guidance on dilution ratios. Allow the primer to dry completely until it forms a pink film. Ensure the primer has dried thoroughly before proceeding. Tile directly onto the panels using Ultra Proflex SP adhesive. Apply the adhesive with a notch trowel to create a full adhesive bed. Using a leveling compound first will ensure the pipework is not damaged during the tiling process, however either way works. Fastwarm FastTile Plus panels provide an easy-to-install solution for your underfloor heating project. Call us today to get started.